5 tips from self-made millionaires on how to build wealth from nothing. Building wealth from nothing might feel like you would be doing the impossible, but there are countless of self-made millionaires who have proven that it can be done. It takes hard work, resilient, smart strategies, and discipline, but the hard work pays off. Let's explore the proven methods that millionaires have used to build their wealth. 1. Start with the right mindset. Mindset is everything when it comes to building your wealth. You need to have the right mindset from the start, as you will need to adapt your behavior, learn new ways, and grow despite any challenges you may face. When you have a growth mindset, you will see failures as learning opportunities. You will need to visualize success to help keep you motivated. You will need to say no to excessive spending to stay aligned with your wealth-building goal. When your goal is clear and you have a strong why behind your goal, it helps you stay focused on the outcome. Two, take calculated risks. Self-made millionaires are often risk takers, but their risks are calculated and well-researched. They evaluate risks and plan for different scenarios. Taking risk is often necessary when building wealth, but never take on more risk than you can handle. Understand your risk tolerance and operate within those boundaries. Investing money often comes with risk, so be prepared and understand the risks you are taking on. Three, master money management. Having a lot of money is one thing, but wealth requires smart money management skills. You need to budget and track every dollar and prioritize saving and investing over spending to build wealth to $1 million and beyond. Avoid bad debt and focus on acquiring assets to preserve your wealth. Four, focus on multiple income streams. It's risky to rely on one source of income to build your wealth. Millionaires diversify and scale their businesses to grow wealth over time. Create multiple streams of income, such as investing in stocks and bonds, investing in real estate, and selling online products. Any money you make can be reinvested to grow your wealth. Focus on building scalable systems rather than trading time for money. Five, build a network and seek mentors. Successful people understand the value of relationships and mentorship. Surround yourself with people who encourage your growth. Learn from mentors who have already achieved the goals you set out to achieve. Oprah Winfrey often credits much of her success to the mentors who helped guide her career along the way. Building your wealth with the help of others will accelerate your goals. Remember that becoming wealthy doesn't happen overnight. It's important to trust the process and stay focused, even when things don't go as planned. Don't forget to celebrate small wins along the way to help you stay motivated. And keep pushing through setbacks and challenges. The bottom line is that the path to wealth can be a bumpy ride, but it's possible if you are determined to learn and take action. From working on your mindset to mastering money management, these lessons will take you down the roadmap to success. You can take action today and begin your journey toward financial freedom now. Thank you for your listening and watching. See you next. Good luck.